tree of 468. So 468, it can be written as 2 and 234. So 2 times 234 means 468. 234, it can be written as 2 and 117. So 2 times 117 means 234. 117, it can be written as 3 and 39. So 3 times 39 means 117. 39, it can be written as 3 and 13. So 3 times 13 means 39. So now we select the prime numbers among these numbers. So prime numbers here is 2, this 3 and this 13. So we can write 468 is equal to product of all these prime numbers, that is 2 times this 2 times this 3 times this 3 and times this 13. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.